Kadem TB and Leprosy production.
Think you can just go to room 3 there. Just go ahead. There's a doctor who is going to attend you there. Just go. Thank you. Pole. You are not yet in. I'm very sorry. There's a doctor here who was just waiting for you. Just get it, ma'am. I'm supporting you. Just get in. Have a seat. There's a doctor who is going to attend you just right now. I'm sorry.
Sasa.
Oh.
Hello, doc.
I'm good.
Oh.
I'm good.
Mbona utumii gloves? What is happening?
It's just a minor injury.
Oh. Just use gloves. Whether it's a minor injury or major, use gloves.
Okay, thank you so much.
Welcome.
Okay.
Na wewe mbona hauna mask?
Sina.
Hebu tumia hii tafadhali.
Asante.
And next time, ujaribu kubeba. Usisahau tena, sawa? Asante. You can continue.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
So there is no one missing a dust coat?
In fact, everyone got the dust coats plus the mask. No one missed.
Is there any concern or issue?
No, we don't have any issue. We are okay. It's only that Sister Felista is unwell.
Oh, she's unwell. Oh, hi Felista.
Fine.
I've been told like you are feeling unwell.
I'm very unwell.
So Pole, wish you quick recovery. Have you gotten any medication? And why are you on duty today? You're supposed to be at home, taking your medicines and getting some rest.
I'm unwell, but I just came because I thought you had a workload. So I just came to help you.
Oh, it's okay. And thank you very much for your concern. But your health first. So, Daktari, please attend to her. Give her some medication. And I'll give her some sick off days so that she can get some rest. Hi everyone. Today we are celebrating our achievements. And remember, it's by God's grace. For the staffs to manage this far, it's because of the presence of the Holy God that has made us to do all this. And for our clients, we really appreciate because they've given us much easier time so that we can achieve whatever we've achieved till today.
Kadem TB and Leprosy production.